Good morning, DCO Nation. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Chris. I'm with Decals Outdoors, and what a beautiful morning. Man, I tell you what, you can't pick a better morning than this right now. I just hope the fish are biting. But today we are going to be fishing, let me see, the last couple hours of the incoming tide and pretty much the outgoing tide today. We're going to put in some hours. We're going to fish around. We're going to see what we can pick up. Maybe flounder, trout, some redfish. I've got a topwater tied on here first thing this morning. We're going to pitch and throw that around a little bit. Jelly Bait's Assassin tied on. I've got a Vudu shrimp tied on. I've got all my boxes and lures, and guys, I'm ready for the day. So here we go. The Jelly Baits, this is the 4-inch Assassin, and it's in rainbow shad color. I really like this color, and I've got it on a 1/4 ounce trout eye because we are at high tide or getting close to high tide. So anytime that, you know, the water is up and we're going to be fishing depths, you know, 5, 6, 7, 8 feet at high tide, then I'm going to go to the 1/4 ounce to make sure I'm on the bottom. And this will help me target some flounder and some redfish, because redfish, even though they won't be quite as deep as this, they'll be in maybe 1 to 3 feet of water, but they'll be on the bottom with their noses down, you know, getting crabs or whatever down on the bottom of the of these creeks. So 1/4 ounce is what I'm going to start with here. And guys, let's see if we can't get a little bit of a flounder bite here this morning, and maybe work our way up to maybe a flat, and then see if we can't pick up a red or something. I don't know, I'm just really enjoying the day right now. So with it being bluebird sky, nice sunny day, that's the reason why I'm going with the more natural colors. So I'll be sticking with some lighter colors today, some whites, pearls, naturals, maybe even the Decals Destroyer color, you know, a natural shad color. If you want to pick up some of these jelly baits, go to jelleybaits.com, and Jay does small batch hand poured lures, and he's got paddle tails, jerk baits, the magnificent shrimp. Go over there, jelleybaits.com, and put in promo code DEADCALM20 to save 20% on your order. And guys, these things work great. Give them a try. Guys, I just hooked into a very small flounder and he let it go. Sorry, my camera wasn't on. I had to click it on. It happened that fast. Little small flounder. Well, darn it. All right, cool. Well, small 13-inch flounder. I didn't boat him. He let it go. That's fine. And sorry I didn't have the camera on. Wow. Cast out, let this thing get on the bottom. Give it a couple of seconds here to get on the bottom, and then you can start working your lure. Don't start working it too quickly, or you're pulling out of that strike zone. There we go. Ooh, that was a big hit. That was a big thump, and I gave it a second. Still got the tail and everything. So we're gonna go right back up in there again. There we go, fish on. He came right back and got it. Came right back and got it. I think that's a flounder. He's staying down. Good, yep, I can feel him trying to shake that off. Yep, nice flounder here. Nice flounder here, guys. There, he's coming back up. Big flounder this morning. And that's what they do, guys. I almost had him netted and he threw it. That's big flounder. He was 18, 19. Oh, that's disappointing. Well, that's what happens. Okay, well, you know what? That's 2 lost at the boat. That big one, he was shaking. And like I said, once I tried to get him in, I tried to keep him under the water as much as I could, but as soon as he hit the top of the water, he shook it. But guys, that's flounder fishing right there. All right, guys, so we're about I don't know, hour and a half into this little trip. I've missed 2 flounder. One really nice size flounder shook off right at the boat when I was going to net him. Tried to keep him down as long as I could, but we're just kind of paddling up this creek, and we're gonna kind of stop right here. Kind of almost looks like the tide may have already switched around. I'm starting to go out. I'm seeing a little bit of movement, so there we go, fish on. I let him have that one. It's a small little flounder. Small little flounder. Ooh. He's still not really ready. There we go. I landed my first one. Yay! And he is 12 inches. I can land the small ones. Look at him. 12 inches. All right. There he goes. Okay guys, I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I've been throwing that paddle tail around. This is the Vudu shrimp. It is in Cajun pepper, chartreuse tail, and I've got it on my medium light action TFO rod, and it's a 7-foot. I like a 7-foot for kayaking. 7.6 just seems a little bit long. I can probably get, you know, longer cast with the 7.6, but I like the 7-foot in a kayak. And this is the Diawa Legalis. It's a 2500 series, spooled up with 10-pound J-Braid, and this is their light blue color, which I don't know, I think it just looks cool on the reel. And I got about 3 or 4 feet of 12-pound mono leader, and that is the Trilene XL. So guys, that's my setup for the Vudu shrimp. There we go, fish on guys. Fish on, fish on. Feels like another little small flounder. Yeah, another little small one. Boy, and he wants loose of that. Look how they shake their head down there. I'm gonna try to keep him under the water the best I can. And then, there we go. Got him. Okay, another little small one. But that's all right. Let's just see what this monster is. 12 inches, guys. Woo! All right, nice. Cool. Here we go. Boom, gone. Fish on. Another nice flounder. Stay down. He's going to be a little better quality flounder. Woo, yeah, he is. Little better quality. He got close to the boat, and now he's going to want to freak out. So, keeping him down, hopefully. He's going to be probably 16 or 17. Stay down. I gotta try to get him in the best I can. There I go, I got him. Nice fish here. All right, the flounder bite is on. He wants out of here. We're gonna give him a quick measure. He's probably 15. Yeah, 15 and a half is what I got him at. Oh, there's a nice 15 and a half inch flounder right there, guys. Now we're starting to get on a little something here. Right back down to the bottom. Now we're on the positive side. That's 3 catches, 2 losses. Now that's what we wanted. Maybe I just need a little more coffee. Ooh. Okay, something's messing with those fish over there, so I'm gonna throw right back over that way and just see what's messing with them. What do we got? I got a fish on. I thought I was snagged. Wow, man. I don't know if I'm going to land him or not because I thought I was snagged. And that is a flounder. Holy cow, you guys. That was crazy. That's why I just started reeling. I don't know if I got a real good hook set on him or not. This was kind of a lucky land here, guys, because I didn't think I was gonna, I thought I was actually snagged. Cool. That must have been what was messing with those fish over there. Cool, cool, cool. Hey, a little bit of a hot spot here. Guys, I got another one. Okay, I found a hot spot here. And I didn't even feel him. I was just dragging this one on the bottom. That's the next, oh yeah, I barely have him hooked. If I land him, this will be a miracle. This will be a miracle if I land him. Yeah. Again, boy, I didn't even feel him. Look at that, guys. He's probably 13 or 14. The last 2 I caught, I didn't even feel the thump. So that is really strange, but I was on the bottom, dragging him on the bottom, and they just kind of slurped it up. Little creek marshy area right here. I think we're gonna try this. You never know, there may be a couple of reds pushed up into here. I'm gonna throw around some points and fish on. Fish on. Right off the corner of that little grass point. Nice flounder. And he is shaking. Hopefully I can get him in. Stay down, stay down. Stay down, brother. No! Don't do that. That's how you lose them. Got him. Woo! Kick some water on me. All right, guys, cool. Probably 14, 15 maybe. Picked him right off of that. Oh, gosh, he did not like that, did he? Okay. But that's what we're looking for back up in here. Nice. All right. The flounder are just on fire. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. That's another flounder. Boy, I tell you what, guys, the flounder bite right now is just absolutely on. Nice flounder. Probably, again, probably another 15 or so. Right at these little creek mouths. Whoa! He came right out of the water at me like a tarpon. All right, another little small one, 13 or so, but fun. Okay, make a little run here. Okay guys, so I am working back up this little creek. I passed several boats, just trying to get around them here and work up here. See what we got. Gonna work up this creek. The water is dumping out now at a pretty good little clip. So I know these fish are not gonna be in the current, so I'm gonna be working the outside edges here and some of these little drains that come out of these marshes. There we go, fish on, guys. That's a red. Hopefully I got him pinned. Yeah, good fish. There we go. Get behind me. Yeah, there we go, guys. Nice fish here. Awesome red. This is what I wanted to get into coming back up into here. Whoa, man. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, nice redfish here, guys. He is behind me, and I want to loosen up my drag just a little bit so that I threw right off of that current rip, and he was sitting right there. It's a nice red, really nice red fish. He is not giving up. He is not liking this right now. Guys, awesome fish here. How fun is this? He's still pretty green. He's not ready to come in yet. There he goes. Now he's kind of giving up. All right, guys. Fun fish, fun fight. Oh boy. Yeah, what a nice fish right there. Awesome. Let's put him on the board here. Guys, I got him at 18 and a quarter. 18 and a quarter inch red. A nice fish. Oh gosh, he wanted out of here. Okay. Guys, awesome fish. Back up in here. Let's see if we can get another one. There we go, fish on, guys. Got him. Flounder. Oh, he let go of it. Woo! I felt him, but again, just another very slight. Wasn't that thump that I've been kind of feeling all day. It's been very subtle with some of these flounder. So I'm fishing in these calmer areas because these fish are not going to be in that strong current because they don't want to expend the energy fighting that current. So that's why I'm staying on the outside edge, just kind of floating around in here and just kind of working working the bottom here. I'm in about 2.5 feet of water, which should be really good for the reds, which is what I caught that one red in. He was in 3 feet. So again, these reds are going to be in 1 to 3 feet of water. That's where I catch my redfish. Pushing back into some creeks now, guys. Push back up into here. Boom, fish on. Flounder. Yeah. Another small flounder. But bang, he hit it hard. Come on back over here. Stop acting big. All right, another little 12 or 13. Get rid of him. There he goes. So I got changed back up again. I put on another Dead Calm Destroyer. Let me show you one more time. I got the Dead Calm Destroyer on a 1/8 ounce. And I'm in only about 3.5 feet of water. And I'm pitching around these little corners and on the outside of these little current rips, getting ready to work my way up into this little creek, and picked up an aggressive little 13-inch flounder. And so how fun is this right now? Bang, got him. Whatever he is, he's swimming towards me. Big thump though. Feels dead weight. That's a flounder. Feels big. Feels big. He wants out of here. I haven't even seen him yet, guys. He is staying down. He is. Let me at least see ya. Nice fish. Got him. Nice fish here, guys. Beauty. And you can see what he's throwing up. So before I show you this fish, which is a beautiful flounder, you can see what he's throwing up right here. Awesome. Nice fish. $16.5, guys. Look at that beautiful fish. Beautiful. Woo! I like this area. So these are areas I look for. So there's a creek dumping out over here, and it's a bend of a creek here, and there's some oyster over here. I mean, this is such a perfect ambush feeding spot. There's got to be more here. So we're going to stay here. We're going to see what we got. Like to catch a couple more reds before I take off here today. There we go. Got him. Yeah, another nice red. Picked him up right here. Well, he just kind of just slurped it right up. Yeah, nice red here, guys. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Right along this little mud bank here. What do you got going on? Whoo, I love it. Let me land him with the fish grips, maybe. once he calms down. That shad color, that Dead Calm Destroyer color is matching up some pretty good things right now. Nice fish right here. Another nice red. This is why we made this run up here, was to try to get on a redfish bite. And he's probably another 18, 19 inch red. He's just kind of pulling me around. He's not ready yet. He's not ready yet. Now he's starting to get ready. There we go. Should have used the net, but I did not. Another nice redfish here, guys. You can see he's got that dead calm right in the corner of the mouth. Look at that. Nice tail. What a beauty of a fish. Beauty. Came right out. I'm going to put him on the board real fast and then get him revived back up. He's 17, guys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put him on the bogas, on the fish grips here. And I'm going to give him a minute and just kind of revive him back up. There he goes. All right, cool. I don't think he knew exactly what to do there for a minute. Awesome. So I can really tell that the current is starting to slow down here. We've only got really about, I would say about 2, maybe 3 hours before we hit low tide. And so I can really start kind of working the entire area now because I don't have such an aggressive current rip. So that's why I'm kind of rolling back up through this creek again and see if I can't get on something towards the bottom of this tide. This is where I caught the first redfish, right here at this point, and you can see this current has really stopped pulling out of here, because when I picked up that first one, it was right off of a current rip and it was really pouring out of here. There we go, fish on, guys. Nice red here. Nice red. Nice fish here. Woo! Come on, baby. Here we go. Nice fish. Let's go. Let's go. He thumped that coming around that corner. Ooh, nice redfish here, guys. He is back behind me. And where are you going? What are you trying to do to me here? I gotta try to turn back around here. He's got me all up in sorts here. Woo! Yeah, guys. Now I'm getting back in front of him again. Oh, what a nice fish here. Yeah. I love it. He was just dead weight. It's like I couldn't even gain any ground on him. Oh, that is so awesome. Yeah, he's gonna go 20. Great fish. Great fish. He still wants to pull and get out of here. Come on, mama. I just want to look at him. Nice. Come on, I barely got you hooked. Not really gaining much ground on him. Really don't want him to break me off. Woo, you guys. I wanted to get one more, and what a good one to end with. Well, I don't even know if I'm gonna end. She is a beauty. Still doesn't really want to give it up. Now she's giving it up. Now she's giving it up. Oh my gosh, you guys. In the net. What a gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Again, you can see that. Guys, that is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous redfish. I don't even know. Hopefully I'm getting her into the picture. I am going to unleash. I'm gonna put the net down, get my board out. I'm gonna put her on the board. What do we got? Pinch tail, 25 1/4. 25 1/4. Absolutely gorgeous fish. All right, guys, let's get her back in. Let's get her revived up. You can almost kind of see the water. I'm getting it pulled through the gills there. 25 1/4. Biggest red of the year. I'm gonna go ahead and unclip her, and she's gonna take off. She's gonna go. There she goes. Nice. Wow, you guys. This is why I came back to this creek, was to get a fish just like that. Now we're on a redfish bite, and whoo, that was awesome. Absolutely awesome. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. End on that nice 25-inch redfish. Guys, this is just the day that you just dream of. The flounder we're hitting. I'm not even sure how many flounder I caught at this point. I don't know, 7 or 8, 9 maybe. Lost a couple right at the beginning. Just didn't get my bill dance on, and ended up losing a couple. But a lot of shorts. Got some 16, some 15-inch flounder, and then I made a big run to see if I could get on some redfish, and man, did I ever. I got a 17, and I think my second one was an 18-inch. I'll need to go back and look at it. But then that third and final fish was a 25 1/4. Guys, just an absolute fun day out here. Beautiful day. Just could not ask for a better fishing day. So guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Go over, check out jellybaits.com, subscribe, like, leave a comment, and check out my live streams. They happen every 2 weeks, and so look for those. Guys, I appreciate you, and I will see you out on the water. Have a great day.